Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and today we are doing a designer manicure for hooked on nails. I am picking Louis Vuitton. You can do any kind of designer you want to do. It could be a brand name of anything as long as it's designer. So I have got these beautiful green nails in front of me here. It is a color by PT. It is number 368P368. I have used also their base coat. And I will be using their no wipe top coat. So let's gonna dive in, or we're gonna dive in. I love this green color. I think it is beautiful. It's the end of summer. So we're going to be using the black stickers. So I thought the green and the black would go good together for the end of summer. Check these out. Down in the comments, first comment pinned will be the playlist for everybody who did a video. So please check that out. Give everybody a full view. That would greatly be appreciated. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to everybody already, please do so. Louis Vuitton. So now we're going to check out what else is on the stickers here and see what else we can put with Louis Vuitton. We've got some other little Louis Vuitton emblems down here that we're going to use. Some little stickers. And stars. I'm becoming Butterfingers. 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 Let's see. Definitely becoming Butterfingers here. And there we go. There are those so far. I think these are really super cute. We have a diamond here as well. I think I'm gonna skip that though. I do think these are really cute. I do love the green and the black together. I think it goes very well together with the designer Louis Vuitton, even though it's not his colors. So we're going to get the no wipe top coat. We're going to top coat all the nails. I am going to be adding some bling, but I want to get my decal nails. Well, everything top coated first. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Click the bell, that way you get notified of all future videos, all giveaways, any important information that may be going on my channel. Don't forget to check out the description box. I have recently added some new things, so you might want to check that out. I have become a brand ambassador for Maratt. You can save yourself 15% off your total bill by using JUST.NAILEDIT in all caps. And I have, oh jeez, oh Pete Louise. There is a referral link in the, where you click that link, it takes you straight to Maratt. You can add my code JUST.NAILEDIT, all caps. Let's see here. I'm gonna be adding some bling. What me a manicure without some bling? Gotta have our bling. Right. So don't forget, leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you came through. Let me know what's up with you. How you been doing? How you doing? There's a certain someone, Crazy Mama. She's been going through a rough patch. I really miss her. It's been a while. I don't know why this made me think of her and her little girl, but it did. But I do, I miss my friend. Oopsie. So Jennifer, if you're watching, honey, I miss you. Miss you and Erica both. So I'm going to stick this in for a flash cure. Oh my god. It stuck to my paw. So let me put that in for a flash cure. What nail was that? The pinky nail. I can't believe that happened. Tumbled itself right over. Not a good way to start up here in a manicure. So it is the end of summer. The end of August. So anybody got any good end of summer plans? I don't. Hoping for a long fall. I know that. Definitely want a long fall. So I'm going to pop this to the lamp, give this one a cure as well. I'm going to fully cure them. Which technically, I can put them all in at one time. Because the middle nail, I got a little sweet treat. that I'm putting on that nail. So we'll be right back. Oh, I don't know how to pause this baby, so I guess we ain't pausing. We are gonna sit here and chit chat for the next 60 seconds. So it's the end of summer. This is the last summer manicure for Hooked on Nails designer. And then we will jump into some type of a fall theme. I'm kind of excited about that now. A month ago I wasn't, but we've had some really hot heat here in Michigan, and whew, I'm over it. I'm over summer. We are going to be putting on 2 Louis Vuitton spinners. These are really sweet. I'm using Modelones rhinestone glue. It's a nail glue, they say. You can use it either or, your preference. I really like this. It works very, very well. Very, very well. Get you a nice little bead on the end of your dotting tool or whatever you're using. Shoot. Trying to spread it out here, and I'm getting it all over the nail. All over, all over. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. This one's being a stubborn little bugger. Oh, it certainly is. So I'm going to stick this to the lamp now for a... I'm going to freeze it. I'm going to freeze it. The one looks like it's sliding already. So I'm holding that in. Trying to get a real good cure on it. And we have come to the end of our manicure. Here we are so far. We've got some beautiful designer nails for the end of summer. Pray our spinners turn out alright. They should be done any momento. Any momento. But I think this turned out really nice. Got us some bling. Some spinners, some really nice colored nails. Great end of summer manicure. Just great. Here we go. And our spinners work. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my manicure for today. My Louis Vuitton designer manicure. It's an easy peasy manicure. An easy designer manicure. So I know it's simple, easy, but I thought it was pretty cool. I love a spinner. I think they're super easy to make. I think I made you a video on how to do it. I think I've done it twice in the video already. Oh my goodness, where's my manners? My spinners, the decals, all come from BRC Nails Tips X Pieces. I am a brand ambassador for her company. I cannot believe I forgot to tell you where I got my items at. BRC Nails Tips X Pieces.com. I'll put it across the bottom of the screen. It will also be in the description box to get your 10% off. Cherry Baby. Cherry Baby. I think it's Cherry Baby 10. I'll put it across the bottom of the screen. I'll leave it in the description box so you can use it when you go to her website. She's got hella stuff. She has got the nails, the stickers, the decals, the charms, the spinners, the piercing kit. She's got hella stuff. So you gotta run over there. Go check her out. Support small business. So yep, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Go check out everyone else who did a video. Make sure you get a full view. On Instagram under JUST.NAILEDIT will be pictures of everybody in a collage of everyone who took part. There are some ladies who do videos, some ladies who only do pictures. So there you'll get to see it all. So go check that out. Leave me a comment there as well as a like. Oh, give me a thumbs up and a like on this video. It helps with my algorithm. Greatly would appreciate that. Well, until next time, have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.